This OWASP Top 10 series is for hackers, developers, and everyone who's ever cried over an HTTP 500. Today's episode, Injection, also known as Command Smuggling Deluxe. When the attacker speaks SQL and your app actually listens. Injection is when your app lets an attacker sneak commands into your database, interpreter, or shell SQL, LDAP, NuSQL, even SMTP. Think of it like this. You invite someone to dinner and they bring a grenade for the salad. This isn't just messy code. It leads to data leaks, escalated privileges, sometimes full server control. Basically, 1 or 1 = 1 away from oops. Want to invite chaos? Here's how. Concatenating SQL strings like a 90s PHP tutorial. A val, just no. Passing shell input straight from users. Trusting without validation. Letting form fields inject template code. Do all that, and your app turns into a command execution playground. In 2018, attackers injected malicious JS into a booking page on British Airways. It looked like analytics, but stole card data on every submission. Over 380,000 victims. £183 million in fines. Moral of the story, JavaScript doesn't need a passport to travel. Here's the OG attack. Email, or 1 = 1. Password, whatever. Result, bypasses login and logs in as the first user in the database. 0 creds. 0 shame. Injection can hit everywhere. Login forms, auth bypass. Search bars, data exfiltration. File uploads, command injection, aka remote chaos. Logs, injection that poisons your SIM. If your app executes user input without checking it, that's not flexibility. That's self-destruction. Classic PHP mistake. No escaping. No validation. This isn't a query. It's a ticking time bomb. Let's clean it up. Simple. Clean. Safe. Because parameters are data, not code. Period. Want to catch this before it hits prod? Use ORM libraries like Eloquent or Doctrine. Set up a DB firewall or allowless queries. Run dash scans, zap burp in CI. Lint for string concatenation in SQL. Monitor logs for injection patterns. Sleep union, the greatest hits. Before you deploy, ask, are all DB queries using prepared statements? Did we avoid eval, exec, and friends? Is every input validated and sanitized? Are logs protected from injection and overflow? Are error messages leaking anything? If not, hit pause, not deploy. That's it for today's video. If you're loving the series, let us know in the comments. If you're hating it, tell us anyway. Just don't try to inject feedback into the URL, please. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay patched. Stay paranoid.